Hello guys, so welcome to my new channel PTC Creo 3.0 with Kiro. In this tutorial I'm going to show you some basic tips how to pin a comment. It's very important to pin a comment for new YouTubers. So let's get started. It's very simple. Just go to your profile. For example, click this icon and go to my channel. There is your all uploaded videos. For example, I'm going to choose this video and just pause it and go to comment section. If you want to pin a comment, for example, you can take this comment or either you can take this comment. Both of you can choose. Here you can see on right hand side you will see the three dots. Just click on that dots and you will see here three options: pin, edit or delete. I want to make it pin this comment, so just click on pin, and here is the some warning windows which is telling if you already pin a comment, this will replace it. Means that if you have already pinned your comment and if you want to do it one more time with another comment, that comment will replace it with old one. So just click on pin and you will see I just pinned my comment for my video. This is how you can pin your comment on your YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you will like this video. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.